Are you struggling with follow-ups? Hi there! If you're a business owner or entrepreneur, chances are you've experienced the frustration of losing potential clients simply because you couldn't follow up on time. It's not your fault. Keeping track of leads while juggling everything else can quickly become overwhelming. Between replying to emails, sending out text messages, and trying to stay on top of your outreach, it's easy for leads to slip through the cracks. And when that happens, conversions drop and opportunities are lost. But don't worry, you're not alone, and there's a smarter way to handle this. Meet Lead Magno, your follow-up solution. Let me introduce you to Lead Magno, the ultimate tool to automate your follow-up process and ensure no lead ever gets left behind. With Lead Magno, you can say goodbye to manual outreach and hello to a streamlined system that works for you. Here's how it works. The moment a lead comes in, Lead Magno springs into action. It sends personalized emails, SMS messages, and even AI-powered video messages, all automatically and instantly. These aren't generic templates either. The messages are tailored to your audience, making every interaction feel thoughtful and professional. Why automation is a game changer. So, why is automation so important? Well, studies show that the faster you respond to a lead, the more likely they are to convert. But let's face it, responding instantly isn't always possible when you're busy running a business. That's where Lead Magno comes in. It ensures every lead gets the attention they deserve without you having to lift a finger. Imagine the time you'll save by not chasing prospects manually. Instead of worrying about follow-ups, you can focus on what you do best, building relationships and closing deals. The benefits of smarter follow-ups. But the benefits don't stop there. By automating your follow-ups, you create a consistent and reliable experience for your leads. No more forgetting to reply or accidentally sending the wrong message. Plus, with AI-powered video messages, you can add a personal touch that sets you apart from the competition. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or managing a growing team, Lead Magno scales with your business, making it the perfect solution for businesses of all sizes. Ready to upgrade your process? If you're ready to stop losing leads and start converting more prospects, it's time to upgrade your follow-up process with Lead Magno. Let us handle the nurturing while you focus on closing deals and growing your business. Don't let another opportunity slip through the cracks. Follow up smarter, not harder. Try Lead Magno today and see the difference it can make for your business. Thanks for watching, and here's to your success.